On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest and the effective way that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any experience, without any skills, and without investing any money. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that even if you're a complete beginner, you can use this method to make money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are many of them, but I recommend CPA Group. CPA Group, it has been there for a very long time, and the best part is that there are offers available in any country that you like. So any country that you have a traffic source, you can join CPA marketing. Once you join, the next step is that you have to come right here. You can see right here, offer to click on it. Once you click on it, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money. So you can see a whole lot of different offers. But these offers are only available in Japan. You can see it right here. So anytime you log in on CPA Group, the first offers that you see are going to be the offers available in the country where you are located. Right now you can see the location is Japan, so these offers are allowed in Japan. You can see a whole lot of them. These offers, I can decide to promote them, but the disadvantage is that the payout is very low. So what you need to do is that you have to search for a country that has offers with higher payout, and you can find a traffic source where you can get people who live in the country that you selected to click on your affiliate link. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for the United Kingdom. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can see many countries. You can see a whole lot of them. Search for the country that you want. In this case, I'm going to search for the United Kingdom. So what you need to do is that you have to search right here, JB. You can see United Kingdom. Then click on it. Once you click on the country that you selected, you can see in my case United Kingdom. You have to scroll down so that you can find the offers that are available. You can see these are offers that are available. You can see this is the payout, this is the offer, this is the requirement, and this is the device that is allowed. You can see this is the offer, download 2 apps. This is the payout, $4.28. You can see the requirement. That means your potential viewers have to install a mobile app and you are going to be paid $4.28. You can see this icon right here. It tells you the device that the offer is available. You can see it right here. Some offers, the requirement is much easier than others. This one is mobile install and this one is email or zip submit. So in this one right here, your potential viewers have to enter their email or zip code and they can get access to this offer, and you are going to be paid this amount right here. The offer is allowed on desktop. I usually like to promote offers that has easy requirement. For example, email and zip code submit. Those requirements are very easy and your potential visitors will take the action for you to make money. CPA Group is about your potential visitor taking action. So once they take the action, they don't need to purchase anything. They just need to enter some details and you are going to be paid. So what you need to do is that you have to scroll through the offers and then select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see get £1,000 towards your Apple Pay account. I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see the payout is $1.63. So I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. To promote the offer, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the details of the offer. You can see this is your affiliate link. This is the link that you have to get people to click on it and then enter their email or zip code, and you are going to be paid this amount. Once they enter their details, you are going to be paid. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin to promote the offer that you've selected as you have seen the details. So now you have to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on this link, enter their email or zip code, and you can be paid. There are many ways that you can use to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your link and then enter the requirement. I'm going to show you a guarantee method that will help you get many leads and then earn a lot of money per day. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using ChatGPT to help us promote this product. So what you need to do is that you have to come on ChatGPT. Once you come on ChatGPT, what you need to do is that you have to give a prompt like this. You can see I want to promote a giveaway, get £1,000 towards your Apple Pay account. You can see I want ChatGPT to generate me HTML code so that I can generate a quiz of 10 questions about UK history. So I want people to answer some few questions about UK history. Then the £1,000 will be a reward for them answering the questions. If you just promote the offer direct, people might see it as a scam. But if you make it like a reward for taking a specific action, they might believe it. So I am going to create believability by asking my potential viewers to answer 10 questions about UK history before they get access to the offer. So there are some grammatic mistakes you can see right here. So it's code that, not code to has. It's code that has a quiz of 10 questions, not code to has. So when you are entering your prompt, make that correction. Also make sure that you ask ChatGPT to give you a space so that you can insert your affiliate link. You can see it right here. Give me space to insert my affiliate link of the giveaway. So always make sure you add that. Now once you have this prompt, just enter it. ChatGPT will create a high quality prompt for you, which you can use to create the HTML code. So you can see this is the prompt. You can see the prompt. You can see this is the prompt, but this prompt is too long, so I asked ChatGPT to make it short. You can see make it short but maintain all the important details. Once you enter that prompt, you can see it has given me a shorter version. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see ChatGPT has an important note right here. If you want, I can make it even tighter version, optimized specifically for CPA conversion, and I said I want that. You can see it right here. So ChatGPT has given me a CPA optimized prompt. You can see this is the prompt. Now once that is done, you have to still scroll down. You can see ChatGPT again has an important note right here. If you would like, I can also create a compliant safer version that reduces ad account bans whilst keeping strong CPA conversion structure, and I said I want that. You can see I want that. So it has created me a compliant safer CPA prompt. So you can see it right here. Now once you have your final prompt, just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to enter it so that it can generate the code for you. You can see I have entered right here. Once you enter it, it will generate the code for you. You can see this is the quiz code. You can see it right here. If you want to see how it looks like, you can test it right here. So just click right here, preview, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the quiz. So you can see who won the Battle of Hastings in 1066. People who live in the United Kingdom, they know, so they will select the right option. Once they select the option, they will just click on next and they will answer 3 questions. Once they enter the 3 questions, they will get access to the offer that you are promoting. Now what we need to do is that we have to embed this code on a website so that they can take the action. You can promote this, so you have to embed it in a website. But before you embed it on a website, what you need to do is that you have to first of all copy it. We have not inserted our affiliate link, so we have to copy it. Once you copy it, search for this website codepin.io. Once you're on the website, you can see HTML. We want to insert our affiliate link, so first of all paste it right here so that you can be able to insert your affiliate link. If you don't insert your affiliate link, it is useless. You are not going to get any conversion. So paste it right here so that you can insert your affiliate link. Once you paste it, you can see this is the preview of our quiz. So we want to insert our affiliate link. Just scroll upward so that you can find the place where you can insert your affiliate link in the code. So let's scroll upward so that we can find a place to insert our affiliate link. Let's search. We are searching, so just take your time and then search. Take your time and then search. So take your time and search so that you can find a place where you can insert your affiliate link. Just scroll upwards. You have not found it, but take your time, you will find it. You can see right here your affiliate link here. So this is where you have to insert your affiliate link. So what you need to do is that you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come on CPA Grip, just click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back, highlight this one right here, and then paste your affiliate link. As you can see, that has been done. Now the next step is that you have to highlight and copy this code. So highlight everything. Once you highlight it, click on copy. Once you copy, the next step is that you have to embed it on a website. If you don't have a website, what you need to do is that you have to search for site.google.com so that you can be able to create a free website. Once you search for site.google.com, you're going to see a page like this. Click on blank site so that you can create a free website. Once you click on it, delete this header, so delete it. Once you delete it, give a title to your website. So let's give it a title or a name. So let's give it a title or a name. So we are going to give it a title. You can say giveaway site 1. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to embed your code right here. So click right here, embed, click on embed code, and then paste the code that you copied. Once you paste the code, click on next. Once you click on next, you can see this is the quiz. So click right here, insert. Once you click on insert, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to open it a little bit. You have to make it larger, make it look more presentable. So we are going to make it like this. As you can see, that has been done. You can see everything right here. Once you have embedded your code, the next step is that you have to publish the website. So click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, let's copy our website address. So let's highlight and copy this. Highlight and copy it. Copy it. Let's click on publish again. Paste our website name right here. You can see that is not available. So let's say 1, 2. This is not a professional website. So just enter anything that is available. So you can see giveaway site 12B. So just anything that is available. It is not a professional website. We just need to get some leads. That is why we are creating a website. It is not a website that you can own and publish good stuffs. It's just for promoting this offer. Once the web address is available, click right here, publish, so that you can publish it. It has been published. To see your website, you need to click right here. You can see preview. So you can see it on mobile devices, you can see it on desktop. So you can see this is a preview version. So you can see on desktop, this is how people are going to see it. On tablet, this is how people are going to see your quiz. On mobile devices, this is how people are going to see your quiz. You can see everything. Everything looks nice. So once everything is okay, we can go back and then click the link to our website. So click right here and then click copy link. Once you copy the link, the next step is that you have to paste it right here on Google. So just paste it so that you can see how it looks like. You can see this is your full website. You can see this is the offer that you are promoting. So now let's test if everything is working. So let's select any answer and then click on next. Let's answer the questions and then select and then continue. So next, select, answer the questions and then move on. Answer the questions and move on. So let's move on. Just answer. You can see once your potential visitors answer the questions, they are going to see a page like this. Now they have the options to enter their email address. If they don't enter their email address, they can still go on to claim the £1,000. You can see, congratulations, you have qualified, and they have to get access to the offer. Once you know everything is working, the next step is that you have to promote your website. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to find a website where we can get people who live in the United Kingdom so that you can promote the offer to them. So one of the best websites which you can use to target people who live in the United Kingdom is freehours.co.uk. So just search for freehours.co.uk. Once you search for it, create an account. Once you create your account and log in, the next step is that you have to post your ad. So click right here, post ad. Once you click on it, select community. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to select what you want to post. You can see there are many things: classes, childcare, wanted. You can see a whole lot of different things. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to select others and competition. So click on it. Our quiz is about competition. So let's enter the title right here. You can paste your title right here. So let's paste the title like this: Ultimate UK History Challenge. Complete the quiz to unlock your reward. So we want people to unlock their reward. You can see it right here. The next step is that you have to enter the description of the offer. You can enter the description right here. So you can either record it or you can write and paste it right here. For example, you can just click right here, record, so that you can record it. Test your UK history. You can see that has been done. You can see it has transcribed what I said, but you don't need all this. It's not good. So write a proper description. So you can type a call to action like this. So once that is done, you can insert the link to your quiz right here. So click here to complete the quiz. Just type something like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to come back on your Google site and then click on copy publish link and then click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you don't need to enter your number because you don't have a UK number. So just click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to insert an image of the offer that you are promoting. Once that is done, you have to insert an image of the offer, but in this case we are not promoting the offer directly. So what you need to do is that we have to search for the UK flag and then insert it right here. So search for UK flag, UK flag, UK flag, and then insert it. So let's select images. You can see this is the UK flag. Just save the image. You can see save image as, save the image so that you can use it in your ad. So save the image. Once you save the image, come back and then click right here, add photos. Once you click on it, select your image. You can insert as many images as you want. You can see up to 10 images. So we don't need a lot of them, so just leave it like that and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see your ad has been posted. You can see thanks for posting. Your ad has been posted. So many people are going to take action. Once they take the action, you are going to be making money with CPA grip. So make sure you post a lot of offers using the quiz method so that you can get a lot of conversion. If you promote the offer directly, this platform might ban you, or people will see it as a scam and they will not click on it. But if you use the quiz, you are likely to create believability for people to click on it and then complete the quiz so that they can get access to the offer. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.